Hello friends, today I'm going to show with you an amazing and interesting way that you can make money online with just creating videos. But that will be not actually with YouTube. That is the alternative of YouTube. So you will not require to reach 4,000 hour watch time, or you will not require to just require, for example, 1,000 subscriber. Even you are not required to just monetize your channel. You will make automatically the money with this method, which will be excellent. And this video is especially for those people who want, or they want to, or they are struggling with YouTube, that they want to make money online with YouTube, but they are not reaching the targeted location, or they are not reaching to their target. So let's jump into the main video and the main website that you can make money with that. So it's absolutely a free way, worldwide way, and it is international way that any country, any region, you can start with that, and you will not be required for those limitation that you need to complete that, and then you monetize your channel. So that is actually the easy way. The website name is called Steemit. Steemit is an international and worldwide website that people are coming together here, and they are just creating the articles, and then they are signing up with that. So simply you can click on the sign up button. You can sign up with this website, and then you can create your articles and make money online with that. So actually this method is working for those people who are struggling on website to make money online with that. But another way is that the YouTube. YouTube is another part of this website of Steemit. They have the same combination and the same way together. They are having these two platforms. And YouTube is, for example, another website or another way to create videos similar to YouTube. The same videos that you are creating on YouTube, you can upload also here, and you will not be required to just have 4,000 watch time, or even you don't need to subscribers, and you will not need to monetization. You can simply upload your video. Once you upload the video, you will have the money directly to your pocket. So how you will, the people who are coming together here or coming watching your video and upvoting, when they upvote, that means they like that. In YouTube, on YouTube you will have the like button, but here you will have upvote. If you have upvote and many people upvote it to you, then you will have more money with that. And Steemit is also the same, that people are creating articles on their website, and there they are waiting for monetization of their website, and after that ads are showing on their website, and then they are creating or having some revenue from the ad. But actually this is not that much difficult here. You can simply upload your article here. People are coming all away together, and these are, for example, the upwards that people are giving, and these are the downwards. So if someone just upward, you will earn some cash of that. For example, this guy is having 1235 upwards and 36 comments, and these having his revenue is, for example, 90.54, means $90. So this is actually not the real dollar, these are steam dollar. Steam dollar is something like cryptocurrency that you can change into real money. You can change it to blockchain or your wallet. After that, when you change to your wallet, you can change by Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, and then you can change to your bank account or something like that. So, and Steam and YouTube both, they are not having the real dollar, means the actual dollar currency they are not giving. They are giving you the cryptocurrency. Then after that, you can change or convert to your real dollar. So in that case, you will have more money of that. So this guy has just uploaded this one article 3 days ago, and he is having $90. Okay, Steam dollar. And this guy 7 days ago, and this guy has 30 at Steam dollar. So if you look or just scroll down, you will have many people just that they are having Steam dollars available on their every post and every uh, article that they have uploaded. For example, this one is getting 148 Steam dollars. So it is the pretty cool money that you can just upload your articles here. You will not be required to just wait for monetization, or you will have that much subscriber or something like that. Then after that, you have monetize your article or your videos to have more dollars in your pocket or in your Steam. So it is the alternative of YouTube, and it will be very quickly just defeat the YouTube because it is growing nowadays very fast, and they are giving more money on every post and every video. So you can just sign up with this website if you are having interest with uh, articles. You can sign up with Steam it, or if you are having interest with videos, you can also just upload your videos to YouTube and sign up for that. So that is the pretty cool way that you can make the money very easily from YouTube and also stream it. You can just click on upload and upload your videos to this, and that is that much easy. So hope you enjoy this and hope you like that this video. Oh, okay, I got new subscriber. Welcome to the community. So if you are also new to our community, please, you can also hit the subscribe button and bell notification. So you will also be the part of our community, and you can also join our videos very easily. Every time we upload new videos, you will be sign up for that, and you will just have some extra cash from that. So this is the whole method and instruction and direction for these STEMIT and YouTube, which is the excellent and perfect way for you people to just create your content and upload, and the same way you can get the money from that. So that is the whole review and the whole procedure for that. Just find out the link in the description of this video to sign up for STEMIT or YouTube. If you just sign up for Steemit, you will have also YouTube account also with that. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and comment me below anything regarding how to make money online, even full-time jobs or part-time jobs. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification whenever we upload new video. We will be notifying you. And if you want more, please visit to our channel for more brilliant videos on making money online. Till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.